Hi, thank you so much for joining us. My name is Alina George, and today I'm going to be speaking with Mack Martinez. Thank you so much for joining us, Mack. So, first question, how long have you been with the FAA?
I've been with the FAA since December 6th of last year. So tomorrow will be my 3-month anniversary.
Oh, wow, congratulations. That's really exciting. And what is it that you do with the FAA?
So I'm a systems engineer and a program manager working for the FAA's Office of Unmanned Aircraft Systems. Specifically, I'm working on a program called Beyond, and its purpose is to support state, local, and tribal governments in their efforts to safely integrate the unmanned aircraft systems into the national airspace.
That's fantastic. What did you study to get here?
I studied mechanical engineering at the University of Alabama.
So, do you find that you use that a lot in your day-to-day work?
Yes, I do. I, I, I wear a couple hats. I wear my engineering hat as a systems engineer,
Mhm.
but I also am a program manager. And in both functions, I find it very useful to have that technical background, given my experience as an engineer in my previous work, but also back to all the way back to my schooling.
Absolutely. And can I get just one clarification? What exactly is a systems engineer?
A systems engineer is an engineer who works on it could be mechanical systems or electrical systems. In in my case, it's a bit of both, but given the specific technology for unmanned aircraft systems, it's mainly electrical systems. So
Okay. One more question. Why UAS? Are you interested in UAS? Do you fly them? Or did you just kind of end up here?
I've always been interested in aviation, and I've been working in aviation for 20 plus years. I've seen a lot of growth in the aviation industry, and to me, this is kind of like the next step. It's new and exciting. It's I guess it's not that new, but it's exciting to see it come out, and we're gonna see it as part of our daily lives. So I'm interested in just being a part of it from the beginning and helping it become what it will be.
So, Mac, you said that you've always been interested and involved in aviation. Can you talk to me a little bit about that?
Sure, yeah. When I graduated high school, I had an interest in becoming a pilot or just working in aviation in general. So I started out at the Air Force Academy for a couple of years, then went on to college to study mechanical engineering with a small concentration in aerospace engineering. And that led me to employment opportunities with aviation companies. So one of my first jobs was as a structural engineer and repairing and maintaining commercial aircraft. Then that led me to working on aircraft interior systems, such as like the seating systems, and then crash testing them for aviation safety. And then my most recent job before coming into the FAA, I worked as a project certification engineer for integrating Wi-Fi satellite communication systems into aircraft for passenger use. And now I'm with the FAA.
That's really cool. What a great journey. Well, thank you so much, Mac, for being here with us today. And I'll talk to you later.